I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Ps4 is updated and signed into your PlayStation Network account. This enables the store and theme features. Once done, confirm you have enough free storage because dynamic themes use more space than static ones. If you prefer custom wallpapers, prepare a USB drive formatted to FAT32 and add JPG screenshots. This gives you immediate, personal images to apply. Make sure the console is on the home screen before moving to the store or inserting the USB for the next step. You now choose between official themes from the PlayStation Store or your USB images. Open store themes and preview dynamic or static options to see motion and accent color differences. After buying or downloading, monitor notifications download so the file fully transfers. Interrupted downloads won't install. If using a USB, insert it and navigate settings themes change wallpaper, then browse the drive's images and pick one. These steps let you control both aesthetic and performance impact before applying. You finish by applying the theme. Go to Settings Themes, choose the downloaded or USB image and select Apply. You'll see the change instantly. Make sure to tweak icon colors and background opacity so menu text stays readable against moving backgrounds. If the theme fails to apply, restart the Ps4 and recheck downloads for corruption. For USB issues, reformat to FAT32, recopy images, and try again. This single troubleshooting step usually resolves the majority of installation problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.